As you know, we've faced a lot of challenges this past year and going into this new year, which means that there is a greater need than ever to support your local community today. As a real estate agent, you understand your community more than most because you spend so much of your time becoming familiar with and highlighting your local area. Though we're not able to get as hands-on like we used to, there are still plenty of opportunities for you to help out. Here are a few creative ways that you can get involved today. First, why don't you try supporting your local schools and teachers by volunteering or organizing a school supply donation drive. You also can organize a donation drive for pet supplies for a local animal shelter. Maybe sponsor a walk or a run for a cause that you are really passionate about, but be sure to include donation opportunities for people who may not be comfortable attending the event. You could tie in the home theme by serving at a homeless shelter or a soup kitchen, maybe even co-sponsor a garage sale or rummage sale that you can encourage your contacts to spring clean and donate all their stuff for a great cause. Organize a neighborhood or park cleanup day. The ideas are endless. You know, they say one of the best things you can do for yourself is to do something for someone else. It feels good, it relieves stress, which we need in this business, and infuses you with positivity. So I want to challenge you to find a way to give back to your community today and let us know. We would love to hear about it.